Plaintiff Lavonda Curry says she and the defendant were friends and co-workers. And despite the fact that the defendant has a criminal record for shoplifting and drug charges, Lavonda never thought she would do her wrong. However, she's suing because the defendant crashed her car and refuses to pay for the damages. Defendant Vakisha Woolley says Lavonda is promiscuous and she harassed her for 5 months and even threatened to slit her tires and break her car windows. Vakisha is countersuing for harassment.
All right, and ma'am, you're suing your former friend for $471 for breach of contract.
Yes.
You're countersuing for $500 for harassment.
Yes.
Start with you.
Like you said, she was once my friend and also a co-worker until I could no longer trust her, obviously. I was aware of her criminal past, but I never thought that she'll be shysty towards me. And,
So that's why you think it's relevant, because she was shysty towards you, and based on her background, you believe that it was intentional.
Basically.
All right.
Also, she gives sob stories to where you feel pity for her. Just like I used to give her gas money if she didn't have gas, offer to fix her hair, obviously. She'll probably bring up a falsified situation that had happened where someone said that I was going to slice her tires or bust her window.
Give me some examples of her breach of trust.
Okay.
What has she done, or what convinced you that she was shysty, as you say?
Well, one, is most common is where you say something and then you don't do it, and you give the person plenty enough time to fulfill what they have offered.
No, but you talked about things she has done to others in the past.
Okay, well.
Has she been convicted of fraud or misrepresentation? Because I'm sure that's what you are alleging, that she broke the contract intentionally, which might be construed as I never intended to pay you, which is misrepresentation or fraud. Anything?
Well, she gives plenty of sob stories, believe me.
Okay, now you told me she had a criminal past. I need to hear about that, because you can't call the woman shysty and say she has a criminal past without proving it.
Well,
ma'am? Yes.
I mean, it can only take one time for somebody to do something and learn their lessons. What about you?
But yet that shows your character.
What criminal past?
What character?
Well, first of all, she got a felony for shoplifting.
Okay.
Baby, no, not a felony, a misdemeanor.
Okay. Anyway, it didn't get, obviously it wasn't that bad.
Well, let's talk about your
and then
sluttiness. How about that?
Also her
How about you
drug-related
sleeping with men when you meet them in the club? How about that?
About what?
And her drug-related charges.
Really?
Okay.
Drug-related charges?
What type of drug?
Boo-boo, it's called police hiding stuff in your car.
What type of drugs?
Obviously, marijuana.
Okay.
Really?
All right.
And I bet you can check me now. Ain't nothing in my system. Nothing at all.
The police did it. Okay.
All right. Okay. Go ahead, ma'am. What do you want to tell me? She's alleged that you have a criminal past.
First of all,
I guess she thinks that smoking weed is a vicious crime.
Yeah, right. There's a lot of people that do it. Anyways, she has threatened me, come and slip my tires, break my windows on my truck. But you jealous because I got one and you ain't got one. Harassed me for 5 months.
Has she had a conviction in the past?
I don't know what she got going on. No telling. Anyways,
no, Your Honor.
But
no, Your Honor.
We gonna get to that. She gonna harass me on Facebook. Oh, a Mother's Day card.
That's your,
I mean,
all
who
right.
does that? Where they do that at, boo? Where they do that at?
How did I harass you? By calling you a liar? By calling you a liar?
No, when
calling me a liar in the
Ma'am, when it's your turn about the harassment, I'll allow you to allege that. She also said you go with a different man every night at the club. Did you say that?
She's a club hopper.
First of all, I don't even go to the clubs, first of all.
Really?
I have a 9 to 5, a manager job. I don't have time to club hop, first of all.
You don't go or you don't go in?
I do not go, period.
I mean, how can you
got some ladies that just kind of stay in the car and date the guys in the car. Okay.
I don't go, period.
You're married.
Oh, okay. Now let's get to the breach of contract you're suing her for.
Yes. Well, basically, I had got an estimate for the damages done to my car. She had gotten into an accident in December 23rd, where she
11?
Yes, 2011. I'm sorry. 2011, where she hit somebody. She lied to me. She came back to me with my car. The lights was messed up. I actually have pictures of all the damages. The light was hanging. There was a dent.
What did she say happened?
She said it wasn't her fault. Nothing was wrong with your car, but obviously there's something wrong with my car. So after all of that, the next day we actually had her sign a compensation agreement because she agreed to pay me for the damages, which I have as well. I have that as well. It agrees for all the damages done to my car that she will reimburse me for that. I did settle with her because she, like I said, gives sob stories. Oh, I got 5 kids and I got.
You settled for how much?
do, boo, and I take care of them well.
I settled for $50 just to fix my headlight, which she couldn't even afford that.
Wow, boo, you work where I work, and you know that we don't get paid like that. So really,
she can change her hair.
Really,
she can change her hair every week.
I'm sorry.
But she can change her hair every week, but she couldn't give me $1 for what she agreed for. And I settled for $50. Who does that?
And she breached that settlement?
Exactly. And that was in March.
When a person breaches a settlement agreement, then you can go back to the original amount,
and
which is what you're doing.
And she's the one who told me the amount of what it was.
Ma'am, let me hear from you.
Really?
Let's hear.
It's so funny. First of all, anytime you have an accident, right? What the police ask for? Your ID, right? You get your ticket and you have to give it to your claims adjuster.
I don't get an accident, so I don't know.
Okay.
Well,
anyways, you have to give that stuff to your insurance company. Am I correct?
No, you're incorrect.
You do.
No, you don't.
Okay. But if I didn't,
Talk to me. I'm tired of you looking over there.
Okay,
and no, you don't have to give anything to the insurance company. You can pay for it out of your pocket so that you avoid getting points on your license. It's a regular occurrence. So you don't know what you're talking about. Did you sign this agreeing to pay for her car damages or not? Once again, if you agreed to pay her, she never has to file an insurance claim. That's up to the insurance company if they want to go after her after she makes the claim. But did you make a claim?
Actually, I did, and they told me that I couldn't do it.
Did you collect on their claim?
No, sorry.
Very good. I have the signature. I have the agreement. How did she harass you?
Yes.
She harassed me?
Ooh.
Really?
You're countersuing her.
If I'm on my job,
you're talking to her. Your claim is dismissed. Your claim is dismissed. Have a good day. Yours is granted.
We're no longer friends.
We sure not.
There's nothing we need to talk about. Obviously, she's shiesty. It would take a whole lot of work to work on this. Obviously, you want to look like me. That's why you want to talk about I'm harassing you. I'm harassing you.
You don't look like me with your skinny.
You, but I stay skinny, sweetie. Thank you.
Really?
Anyway, I don't have nothing more. Actually, I have nothing more to say to her.